Hey guys, just this is Jerry's Safety Brite on this deck here. It's an E-Pay deck. This one here was sodium hydroxide followed by oxilic acid. As you can see, the wood's still got some black mildew inside of it. It's even been power washed a little bit. That's an E-Pay deck, but just it's a huge difference. And all I did was I didn't even power wash it after I put the Safety Brite on this side. But yeah, it's definitely a superior product. The wood just looks incredible. Here we are restoring this deck here. Now we're just oiling it. Nice finish. Still got a little bit further to go, but looking really good. It's the same one that I using Jerry's product, the Safety Brite. Really brightened up the wood. Give us a call if you need any of your decks restored.